The PAMK400 42-4 is a fully automated high-pressure forming machine to form 3D formed parts from printed plastic film. The film stacked in the film magazine is positioned on pallets by a loading robot, heated in the heating module, formed in the high-pressure forming module, trimmed in the trim module, and stored by an unloading robot. The design of the turntable magazine enables refilling of the film magazine without interrupting the production process of the machine. The loading robot takes each single film from the stack and places it on a pallet. The pallets and the film are then clocked through the machine by a transport chain and pass the individual modules. The machine has 3 heating modules to warm up the printed film carefully but sufficient for the forming process. The 3 heating zones are equipped with 42 ceramic elements each at the upper and lower heaters. The first 2 heating zones are pre-warming modules. At the main heating zone, located right before the high-pressure forming module, the power of each ceramic heating element can be changed individually to ensure perfect warming of each kind of printed film. At the high-pressure forming module, the warmed film is smoothly pre-aligned to the molding form before the high pressure molds the film in its final shape. In the high-pressure forming process, the surface of the film is in contact only with high-pressure air of up to 300 bars. The pressure, volume, and the flow speed of the air are adjustable, as well as the opening and closing speed of the molding form. All foils, but especially foils with undercut contours, can be lifted for smooth ejection from the mold with low-pressure air while the form module opens. The high-pressure forming process by needling is a no-contact, isostatic forming process with high pressure up to 300 bar. The high-pressure forming process results in high surface density and stability of the foil, as well as preservation of the surface structure and optical characteristics of the foil. The printing colors keep their brilliancy. Precise motifs, like speedometer scales, are transferred accurately and free from distortion. The high-pressure forming process by needling allows the use of hard-coated films as well. A vision system for an optical quality check can be installed after the high-pressure forming module. Even complex cuts can be realized with the trimming module, as the module is able to carry out 2 vertical cuts simultaneously. The first cutting tool cuts the outer contour, the second tool the remaining inside cut. The finished part is removed from the trim module by an integrated ejector and a gripper. The cutting tools can be removed and exchanged very quickly, as they are fixed by a hydraulic system. The first unit of the unloading robot removes the formed and trimmed product from the cutting tool and places the product onto a platform. The second unit places the product into a transport tray. A conveyor belt transports the trays out of the machine.